Hello everyone, my respect to the fellow speakers and of course to my dear friend Peter who organized the conference. Ladies and gentlemen, almost everything they teach us about the ancient history is wrong. The origin of man, civilizations and pyramids. The pyramids are not built only in Egypt and Mexico as they teach us in schools. They are built all over the planet. There are 250 of them in the central Chinese province of Shanxi. There are 300 of them in Peru, 200 Cahokia pyramids on the US soil. There are also pyramids in the middle of the Indian Ocean on the island of Mauritius, 7 of them. Tens of them in the Atlantic Ocean on the Canary Islands, 7 of them in Australia near Brisbane, 224 of them in the former Nubian Kingdom in the northern Sudan. Of course, 155 of them in Egypt. There are pyramids in Bolivia, Indonesia, Cambodia, southern France, Italian and Greek soil, and 100,000 of them built by the Mayan civilization in today's countries of Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, and Belize. In April of 2005, after 25 years of the pyramid research all over the planet, I first came to the town of Visoko, 28 kilometers to the northwest of the capital city of Sarajevo. This sleepy Bosnian town is a home to the largest pyramid complex on the planet. When I first saw what we now know as the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, I could clearly see that was a hill with 4 sides, triangular faces, obvious corners, the same slope from the bottom to the top. Those 4 sides met at the apex. I took compass and compass showed me that 4 sides perfectly matched the cardinal points, east, west, north, south, and that's how the pyramids were built. Since then, I've established a non-profit, non-government foundation called Archaeological Park Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun Foundation, which has been running the most active archaeological site in the world. Every year, hundreds of volunteers came from 40 to 50 countries, tens of experts from different fields. So far, we have concluded that we have a complex of at least 5 pyramids, which we named the Bosnian Pyramids of the Sun, Moon, Dragon. They form perfect equilateral triangle, and then pyramids of the Earth and Love. Below those pyramids is a huge network of underground tunnels and chambers, and this network runs for tens of kilometers. So far, we have cleaned and secured over 1,000 meters of those prehistorical tunnels. The discovery of the Bosnian pyramids will forever change our history books because of at least 7 elements. Number one, these are the first pyramids in Europe. Number two, they are the biggest, the largest on the planet. Number three, the orientation of the sides of the Bosnian pyramids is the most precise on the planet. Number four, the Pyramid of the Sun is covered by artificially made concrete. And after analysis in 6 institutes for materials, we concluded that this is the best quality concrete, even superior to what we can make today in 21st century. Number five, these are the oldest pyramids. Now, exclusively for the members of your conference, I will tell you now that we discovered the organic material on the Sun Pyramid below the first layer of concrete blocks and on the top of the second one. And organic material that we discovered, we analyzed in the radiocarbon lab in Kiev, Ukraine. The results are just in a couple of weeks back. And the result shows 29,200 years, plus minus 400 years. So these are the oldest pyramids on the planet. Number six, below the pyramids, the most extensive underground tunnel network. The number seven, in those tunnels, we are discovering the largest artificially made ceramic box. So far, we thought that 8 tons is the biggest one. until August of 2013, when we discovered the block which is most probably 42 tons in mass. But they're not only changing the view of our history. This project has the potential to change our future. On the top of the Sun Pyramid, the teams of physicists and electrical engineers are discovering electromagnetic beam, 4.5-meter radius, 28 kilohertz frequency, which we don't use in our technology and which you cannot find in Mother Nature. And ultrasound beam, the same frequency. They go up. So the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun is not only the biggest pyramid on the planet, but also the biggest energy machine, which has been working continuously at least 29,000 years. It seems that we got a chance to discover the free energy. That's why it is showing us the way for the future. And the last thing, on the pyramids and in the tunnels, we've been measuring and detecting electromagnetic frequency of 7.83 Hertz. This is ultra low frequency, infrasound as we call it. Our planet used to resonate at this frequency, which is in science called Schumann resonance, but not anymore, due to the bad electromagnetism made by HARP, our mobile phones, laptops, computers. The frequency of our planet has changed. In 2013, it resonates at 15.2 Hertz. It affects all of us in a very bad way. And imagine what? The Bosnian Pyramid Complex still has the most beneficial frequency for us, 7.83, which is ideal for our physical, mental, and spiritual abilities. That's why, welcome to Bosnia.